Samsung will start this September with a big bang by announcing what everyone already know by now. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 has all but completely revealed, but leaks as well as hands-on videos allowed by Samsung has already been circulating over the internet. There are still a few details, however, that are relatively unknown, but almost all the details has been dotted and it has been crossed with the latest batch of information. Just a day remaining for the Unpacked 2020 Part 2. The focus of the foldable phone will of course be on foldable displays, and especially considering how Samsung first try wasn't exactly worked without its problem, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 screen is thought to be standard. Even though it will have a visible crease under slight conditions, the hinges is also stronger, allowing the phone to be fixed at certain angles before it fully opens up for the close shot. That screen also supports a viewing 1440p video in full resolution and 120Hz of refresh rate. The latter, however, is only available in adaptive mode with no user option to pick the resolution or the refresh rate manually. Jimmy's promo also shares another hands-on tour that goes into detail regarding the various modules available when utilizing the screen launch area. You can open up multiple apps in a single screen, and according to Jimmy's promo, you can place 8 apps inside the Galaxy Z Fold 2 screen, which is an amazing thing, and your software optimization is way much ahead than other foldable devices. WinFuture also have some good news for European buyers, as the Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be reportedly using the Snapdragon 865 Plus all around, and that is an amazing thing for all the European and international markets users who are going to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Because Exynos 990 processor, as we already know, is not capable of delivering the performance which Snapdragon 865 Plus will be giving. Curiously, the site also notes that there won't be an under-display fingerprint scanner, and instead it uses a traditional optical scanner off to the side. All of those will be available at hopefully reduced price tag compared to the last year model, and at least according to the earlier leaks as well, it won't be a huge drop. But even though $100 price cut could make the Galaxy Z Fold 2 more attractive, Samsung will be confirming all those details on September the 1st, with European launch believed to be set for September 18. So Samsung already began the pre-orders for the Galaxy Z Fold 2, which is going to be delivered to the guys on September 18, especially in Korea, where the device is going to be available first. So guys, what are your opinion regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 2? Will this device is going to be a game changer? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, please do consider subscribing it for more details. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.